Hello guys, hi. You're welcome to my channel, and if you're new, you're welcome to my channel also. It's nice having you here. So today we are making surface sanitizer because we need to always make sure the surfaces we work on, probably in the kitchen, any part of our home, needs to be clean. So we're going to be needing aloe vera gel, water, and alcohol, and also a container. So I don't really have another container. This is what I have, a spray bottle. So I'm going to make do for what I want to use it for. So here is our aloe vera gel. This is making use of half cup, which is 125 ml. So that's what we're going to be making use of in making a surface sanitizer. So with that we add alcohol. So with that we had 2 ratio of this same cup of isopropyl rubbing alcohol into the aloe vera gel. And you stir it all together. Make sure the aloe vera gel dissolves in the alcohol. This might take a while, but it needs to be done. So at this stage, you add a cup of water. I'm adding 500 ml of water to this mixture. So if it's kind of too thick for you, probably not so thick, but you just want it to be, you add more water to it, to the contents, since it's a surface sanitizer. So at this stage, it's ready to be transferred to the container. So now we are going to be transferring it into the machine maker. So now I'm going to transfer it to the spray bottle with the use of a funnel. Here's it guys. So after this you can use to clean any surface you want. Let's put this into use. Guys, here is a surface I'm going to be making use of. So you spray a little, then clean up, and there you have it. Clean surface. So guys, here is it. Here is our surface sanitizer, which you can use it to clean any kind of surface except wooden surface because it will soak it up. So remember to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.